Welcome. Today's video will show you how to disable send read receipts on X so that other users can't see when you've read their messages. This quick update will help you keep your chats more private and let you read messages without the pressure of people knowing you've opened them. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once the app opens, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a side menu with several options. In that menu, tap on Settings and Support to expand it, then choose Settings and Privacy. Here is where you'll find all the account and privacy controls that help you manage how your information is shared on X. Next, select Privacy and Safety. This section is dedicated to how your activity and data are handled across the platform. From here, scroll until you find Direct Messages and tap it. This is where you can control how your messaging experience works, including who can contact you and how message details are shared. After opening the direct messages settings, scroll down the page until you see the option labeled Send Read Receipts. By default, this setting is turned on, which means others can see when you've read their messages in your DMs. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch so it's disabled. Once you do that, the blue indicator will disappear, and read receipts will no longer be sent from your account. That's it. You've successfully turned off Send Read Receipts on X. Now, when you open and read a message in your DMs, the sender won't know that you've seen it. Keep in mind, though, that this also means you won't be able to see when others read your messages either. This small privacy adjustment can make your conversations feel more relaxed and less pressured. It's great for those times when you want to read messages on your own schedule without feeling rushed to reply. Thanks for watching.